Hello, this is Kathleen McKee of Oline.com, Machine Embroidery Art. A viewer sent me this embroidery file that they had done by a professional digitizer, and as you can see, it was done very nicely. The problem they were having is that they were getting a lot of ballooning or puckering when they were trying to sew it on t-shirts. As you know, if you've watched many of my videos, I don't really like to embroider on t-shirts because they are so loosely woven and they do tend to pucker very much. But this is the design they needed, and they just wanted to minimize the puckering. But when they would try to lower the densities, as they were informed they needed to do when they selected it, they did not have the options in the sewing attributes. So whenever you get a file and you see these little small black dots around it, that indicates that the embroidery file was saved in stitches. So when you select it, now look in the top line, when we select it, the bar for stitches pops up, and now we need to convert it to blocks. And I'm going to stick with the default and say OK. And now those little black dots are now blue dashes. And that indicates to us that this is that this has been grouped. So we need to ungroup it. We'll go to the Home tab. Now I have put my group thing on my quick access toolbar, but it will be found under the Home tab under Group. You select that and then you ungroup it. Now there are lots of little blue dashes around it, and that indicates that there are many grouped elements in this design. Now if I were to click outside of this design, then I'd have to go through each one of these and ungroup them one by one. So while everything is still grouped together all like that, I'm going to go back to my group and I'm going to ungroup it once more, and it will ungroup all the pieces all at one time, so you don't have to do it one by one. Now you have the ability to change any element in the design, just as if you had digitized it yourself. First thing we can do is the fill stitch in the white. We can reduce the density to the default there. Same on the other side, but you have to do it one by one, because when you have something digitized by somebody else, they often break it up in many more pieces. Now for the satin outline, you can see, okay, we got this satin outline in gold, and we can put that to the default or even lower. But the thing is, you have to go through each piece one by one. Like that's just one side of the feather. Then you can, decrease the density there and then do the other. You have to do every piece individually. But you can also do other things once you have it ungrouped, and you can select it and delete it. You can change the color, you can move it. One thing I could not figure out how to do, and I'm not sure if you can, is when you select something, I was not able to change the direction. But just about every other element and everything else you will be able to edit once you have converted it from stitches to blocks and then ungroup it.